Okay, now it's time to install Wireshark. Now I want to make it as simple as that. How to install it? Just Google it, how to install Wireshark on Linux, on Kali Linux, on VirtualBox, on Windows, on Mac. As simple as that, and follow the steps. But for now, let's follow this. So actually, if you go to the main website of Wireshark, so type Wireshark here. So from here, go to the download or go to the wireshark.org. From here, you can see that we have some platforms. Like for the Windows, just install the installer, the .exe or .msi here, 64, 32, or portable apps if you want, or you can have the source code, or if you want, you can have the Mac OS. Then just next, follow the instructions, as simple as that. By the way, if you want it for Apple Mac OS or Alpine Linux or Ubuntu, you can have these from here. So you can see here are the sources for the Red Hat, for Solaris, Oracle, and FreeBSD project, Debian, whatever. Okay, all of that is ready. By the way, if you already have Kali Linux, which is, I recommend you to do that, by the way, so you can see that you can find it already there installed. If it is not installed, we can download it and install it, as simple as that. Just type how to install Wireshark on Kali Linux and follow the steps. By the way, this is not a big deal. It is just a simple steps. Just follow them, or commands. Just follow them, press enter, next, and that's it. Okay. Now in the next lecture, we will start handling Wireshark. I will see you there.